What's up, MetaVerse update crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire update that's going to blow your mind. First up, we're diving deep into IonQ's incredible moves, with analyst David Williams giving a major nod to their quantum computing dominance. This company is making waves, and we've got all the details. Next, hold onto your hats, because the SEC is stepping into the quantum future. They're proposing a groundbreaking framework to protect the entire crypto ecosystem from quantum threats. We're talking about securing Bitcoin and Ethereum before Q-Day arrives. Then, we're heading to Datacloud USA, where the conversation is heating up about quantum's impact on our digital infrastructure. Dan Caruso and Nvidia's Sam Stanwyck are breaking down why data centers absolutely cannot afford to ignore this quantum revolution, and how AI and quantum are set to collide. And finally, prepare for a glimpse into the future of AI with neuromorphic photonic circuits. Scientists are building brain-like processors that could redefine machine learning efficiency. Stick around for all the incredible insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. IonQ is on a quantum rocket ship, and Wall Street is taking notice. Analyst David Williams from Benchmark Co. is singing IonQ's praises, maintaining a strong buy rating, and even hiking the price target to a whopping $75. Why all the confidence? It's a powerful combination of IonQ's ambitious roadmap, including their goal of hitting 2 million qubits by 2030, and some seriously smart strategic moves, like acquiring Oxford Ionics. This acquisition isn't just about beefing up their tech. It's a calculated play to accelerate their scaling and solidify their lead in the quantum computing race. IonQ's financial health is also a major plus, giving them the firepower for more acquisitions to cement their dominance. Plus, their systems are designed to be more compact and energy efficient than traditional setups, offering a significant economic advantage. And when it comes to raw computational power, IonQ's next-gen systems are poised to deliver a quantum advantage that could put them miles ahead of the competition, potentially unlocking breakthroughs much sooner than expected. This isn't just hype. Williams is a recognized 5-star analyst with a proven track record, focusing on cutting-edge tech like IonQ and D-Wave Quantum. The buzz is real, with B. Riley Financial also slapping a buy rating and a $75 target on the stock yesterday. But is the quantum future secure for everything else? You won't believe what the SEC is proposing next. Get ready for the seismic shift in crypto security. The SEC is sounding the alarm on quantum threats, and crypto is in the crosshairs. Regulators are taking a serious look at a groundbreaking proposal that could completely change how the crypto world prepares for the looming threat of quantum computing. This isn't just a maybe. Experts are warning that Q-Day, the day quantum computers can crack current encryption, could be as early as 2028. The proposal, called the Post-Quantum Financial Infrastructure Framework, lays out a critical roadmap for digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum to transition to quantum-resistant standards before trillions of dollars in value are put at risk. The urgency is palpable. Current blockchain security relies on encryption that quantum computers could shatter using algorithms like Shor's and Grover's. This means Bitcoin's ECDSA signatures, Ethereum's core security, and most wallet infrastructure could become obsolete overnight. The framework isn't just suggesting. It's proposing a structured migration, emphasizing the use of trusted NIST-approved standards and aiming for hybrid classical quantum-resistant systems by 2035, giving the industry about a decade to adapt. It even tackles the harvest now, decrypt later threat, where data is being collected now to be decrypted by future quantum computers. This is creating a massive opportunity for companies like Naoris Protocol, which claims to be building the world's first decentralized post-quantum infrastructure. With an impressive advisory team, including former IBM and White House officials, they're positioning themselves to offer a quantum-resistant trust fabric for both Web 2 and Web 3. The challenge is immense, requiring complex upgrades without disruptive hard forks or performance hits, and balancing enhanced security with operational efficiency. But are data centers ready for this quantum wave? We're heading to Datacloud USA for the inside scoop. Get ready to hear why ignoring quantum is no longer an option. Forget AI, the future is quantum, and data centers can't afford to get left behind. At Datacloud USA, the conversation is shifting from AI as the future to quantum as the next reality. Dan Caruso, a leading figure in the tech infrastructure world, dropped a bombshell. AI is so yesterday, we are going to live in the quantum world. While quantum computing is still in its infancy, much like the 1950s in computing history, according to AWS's Thierry Pellegrino, its impact will be felt across sensing, networking, and infrastructure. Nvidia's perspective adds fuel to the fire. While CEO Jensen Huang's comments about quantum computers being decades away caused a stir, Sam Stanwyck clarified that Huang's full remarks highlighted Nvidia's massive investment and commitment to advancing quantum technology. In fact, Stanwyck revealed Nvidia's investment in quantum has grown exponentially each year. The panel also debunked the idea of AI and quantum being competitors, emphasizing instead their synergistic relationship. Vineet Gokhale from Inflection explained how AI is already a multiplier for quantum development, and how quantum will supercharge AI, acting as a coprocessor to solve problems neither can tackle alone. However, the quantum revolution comes with a warning: it will break encryption. Gokhale stressed the need for a coordinated migration to quantum-safe methods. On the infrastructure side, the energy efficiency of quantum computers is remarkable, potentially using less power than household appliances for massively complex tasks. Yet, they won't replace classical systems, but will serve as specialized coprocessors. While building full-scale quantum-ready data centers isn't feasible yet, staying informed is crucial. As Pellegrino put it, if you're not keeping track of quantum, you might blink and you'll miss it. And speaking of pushing boundaries, what's the next leap in making AI even smarter and more efficient? Prepare for brain-inspired computing. Scientists are building brain-like circuits that could revolutionize AI efficiency. Imagine a computer that processes information like the human brain, faster, more efficiently, and with incredible memory. That's the promise of neuromorphic computing, and a team from Ghent University IMEC and the University of Trento is making huge strides with novel silicon photonic circuits. Instead of relying on traditional electronics, they're using networks of tiny ring resonators to mimic neural structures, exploiting light speed and parallelism to process data across spatial, temporal, and wavelength dimensions. This innovative approach tackles a major hurdle in neuromorphic computing, incorporating complex nonlinearities and long-term memory. Their system uses microring resonators as nodes in a reservoir computing framework, effectively acting like neurons. What's revolutionary is their demonstration on standard image classification tasks, like MNIST, achieving significantly improved accuracy without needing traditional digital memory. They've even shown that the system can retain knowledge when powered off using phase change materials, a critical step towards non-volatile memory in photonic systems. The team has successfully fabricated and characterized these integrated circuits, proving that microresonators are ideal for this type of processing. They've demonstrated dynamic behaviors, like self-pulsing oscillations, crucial for complex data transformations, and have shown that input power levels can dynamically alter resonance frequencies, enabling a vast array of nonlinear processing. This breakthrough paves the way for compact, energy-efficient machine learning systems that could redefine artificial intelligence. That's a wrap on today's quantum and AI deep dives. But don't go anywhere, we've got a lightning-fast recap and your full CTA coming right up. All right, MetaVerse update fam, that was a whirlwind tour of the future. We saw IonQ making massive strides in quantum computing, the SEC proposing a quantum-proof framework for crypto, Datacloud USA buzzing about quantum's impact on data centers, and scientists building brain-like photonic circuits for AI. Don't miss out on any of these groundbreaking developments. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our socials so you're always in the loop. We'll see you in the next update.